It's Patrick at Pals, and now we've got the floats set, and the next step is to set the accelerator pumps. Now these accelerator pumps should have just a little bit of pressure on that arm. Not enough so that it dribbles fuel when you're moving, but enough so that there's a little bit of pressure on it. Also, at wide open throttle, when the accelerator pump is all the way down, there should be a 20 thousandths gap between this arm and the bottom bolt. Okay, now you adjust that with two wrenches, one on top, one on the bottom. Obviously, the more you lengthen it, the more pressure it puts on the arm. The more you shorten it, the less pressure it puts on it. And what it controls is the squirter, which is back here. It gives the first ingestion of fuel. What that does is it prevents the carburetor from running lean when you transfer from the idle circuit to the main metering circuit. It just gives it that little boost. Now, this is a mechanical secondary. A vacuum secondary would only have one accelerator pump right there. Because this is a mechanical secondary, we have another accelerator pump back here. If it was a vacuum secondary, a vacuum pod with a spring in it would open up the rear secondaries. This one is opened mechanically. If you've got a carburetor, bring it to Pals. See you soon.